Come on, get up if you said you can.
I'm trying. Ow! Told you I could.
I'm recording you.
Why?
Because.
Right. Oh, this is an agony to my feet. See, told you could get up here.
Try and get down then. That's easy for
try
you.
high up, and I'll try.
See, I said he can't.
Ow! What? Okay. Then I'm like jump off, okay?
Yeah.
Backwards. Ow, that's forms.
Mhm.
Oh, my leg!
What name are you doing?